May I request all to please stand? And Mr. Shana, can you lead us the prayer? Amen. So, good morning, class. Okay, you may now take your seat. So, in our class, you should always remember to respect one another. Raise your right hand if you want to answer. Listen when someone is talking, and love one another. So, let's proceed to checking of attendance. Very good class because no one is absent for today. And now, who can tell me what is our topic last meeting? Yes, Miss Minora? That's right. It's all about the basic step of folk dance. Now, I'm gonna read the objectives. So, at the end of the lesson, the students should be able to explain the importance of hip-hop dance in promoting physical fitness and a healthy lifestyle, show appreciation for hip-hop dance as a form of regular physical activity through essay, and demonstrate basic hip-hop dance movements with proper execution, rhythm, and coordination. So let's proceed to our energizer. The title of this is Move to the Beat. So the student will follow to the teacher, and then when the music starts, you will follow me, and then when the music stops, is pose like a statue. Side, step your right foot to the left, and then same at the other side. Then clap your hands, then nod your head, then spin around, then pose. Oh, all of you has the energy that I want. So, yes, Mr. Roshana? Yes, exactly. It's fun and energetic. So, let's proceed to our activity. So, first, I'm going to demonstrate to you the simple hip-hop step. Then, after, we will try to perform. First is bounce like this. And then step touch. Step your right foot, the left side, then follow the left foot. Then, same to the left foot, then follow the right foot. Then waves. So, let's proceed to demonstrate na natin class. So, may I request to please all stand. Then, first, then follow me. First is bounce. Step touch. Then, waves. So, I guess all of you has the potential of dancing hip-hop. Now, okay, you may now sit down. Yes, Miss Balasoto, how do you feel after doing the activity? Since parang ang ingay mo kanina sa activity natin. Yes, it's fun. So, explain to me what is the importance of hip-hop dance to maintain a healthy lifestyle. Yes, great. It can boost your self-confidence, it lessens your stress, and then it also has the flexibility in your body, balance, and coordination. So, before we move to the end, can you please 1/2 sheet of paper, 1/2 crosswise, and then create an essay about the importance of hip-hop dance in our life. So, I'll give you 5 minutes to finish your work and then pass it to me. Okay? Pass it to the center aisle and then pass it forward. Now, Mr. Shana, which part of your body moved the most? Great, your legs and arms. Now, who can tell me, or I guess, Miss Atones, can you tell me what do you think hip-hop does to our body? Yes, exactly. It helps us to stay strong and fit. As you can see, your body has the fit na normal size. So, let's proceed to explanation. I'm gonna explain to you what is hip-hop dance. So, hip-hop dance is a form of physical activity that improves your endurance, flexibility, and coordination. Also, as what I said before, it lessens your stress and boosts your confidence. So, ang pagsasayaw ng hip-hop, hindi lang siya sasayaw lang. You can also express your feelings, your thoughts through dancing. So, malaki ang benefits sa hip-hop, lalo na sa hip-hop. And also, do you know that hip-hop is a street dance style? And then, Also, ang hip-hop rin, dapat meron kang teamwork and unity. So, always remember, you have teamwork and unity. So, let's proceed to the application for this topic. Now, I will divide you into 3 groups, and then each group will create and perform a 30-second hip-hop dance routine showing rhythm, coordination, and creativity. So now, I'm gonna read to you the rubrics for hip-hop performance. First is the clarity of movement, rhythm and timing, coordination, expression and energy, and then teamwork. So, I'm gonna give you 10 minutes to practice and then balik kayo dito sa classroom to perform it. Okay? Time's up. So, first performance is group 1. Okay? Group 1, you may now start now. Okay, great. The group 1 has give their best, no, guys? So, hindi natin alam na first time nila sumayaw ng hip-hop dance kasi nga, as what I said before, all of you has the capability to dance hip-hop. So, let's proceed to group 2. Okay, class, give them a round of applause. So, since maganda ang performance nila, then the group 3. Yeah, great. All of you has the capability talaga na magsayaw ng hip-hop. So, I'm looking forward for you to dance hip-hop and magsali sa mga intramurals if meron man. So, let's proceed to, okay, you may now take your seat and then let's proceed to the assessment. So, bring 1/4 sheet of paper and then I will read the question twice. So, the type of one is an identification. Again, I will read the question twice. So, number 1, what kind of dance is hip-hop? Or what style of dance is hip-hop? Number 2, which part of the body benefits most from hip-hop? Again, which part of the body benefits most from hip-hop? Number 3, how does hip-hop help improve health? How does hip-hop improve health? Now, exchange your paper to your seatmate and then we will check the paper. Okay, number 1, Miss Agrabio, can you tell me what is the answer for number 1? Yes, exactly. It's all about the street dance style. Number 2, Miss Kalamba, can you tell me the answer? Yeah, that's right. Our legs and arms. Okay, number 3, Mr. Qualio, can you tell me what is the answer? Okay, very good. Teamwork and unity. Okay? Who got the perfect score? Oh, class. All of you got the perfect score. So I'm so proud of you, class. Then okay, now you may pass your papers here in front. Then settle down and please bring your notebook and then I will tell you about the assignment and then you copy it. Okay, assignment. Research one other dance form that promotes physical fitness. Write 3 sentences about how it helps the body stay healthy. Again, research one other dance form that promotes physical fitness. Write 3 sentences about how it helps the body stay healthy. Okay, class, can I request to please stand? Goodbye, class. Okay, see you on Monday. Thank you.